Okay, I just lost $8,150 trusting ChatGPT. I developed a new strategy. I'm going to show you all of the details, how I lost the money, what I did right, what I did wrong, and how I'm going to fix it for the future. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing is, let's take a look at this big, huge candle. This is a 2% day on the S&P 500. And you'll notice, if you go back, this is the biggest candle we see in a while. And I just wasn't ready for this. So I'm blaming ChatGPT, but obviously it's my fault. But I'm going to share exactly what I did. So step one is we had this monster candle. So here's how I did it. I have a channel here in ChatGPT that I use to help me guide me in my trading. So I went up this morning and I posted right in the chat. I threw up these images so you guys can take a look. I threw this image in here and I said, what should I trade based off of this, okay? And so I threw this image in and ChatGPT saw this and they're like, oh, well, it gapped up, but it's up against resistance. So ChatGPT said, you should do a bear call spread, okay? And so that's exactly what I did. I did a bear call spread. And I want to show you the trade on my spreadsheet here. So right here was this trade, QQQ bear call spread, minus $4,450. And then I also did another one on the S&P 500, which ended up being minus $360. So between those total two trades, it was $8,150. And, I followed ChatGPT. I did what it said. And you can see here, I'm showing the screen. It says, oh, here's your strategy. So it gives me an evaluation, and it's saying that the RSI is at 63. It's saying that it's under recent resistance. On the daily, it failed to break. It's showing weakness. So the bias is moderately bearish. And so I went for it, right? I went for it. I followed the strategy. Now, let me just share this with you. You got to be responsible for your own trading. You got to be able to manage risk. And I just went in and I wasn't paying attention, and I just thought that ChatGPT would save the day. I thought that it knew what it was doing. Now, with that being said, I have been using ChatGPT a lot with my trading, and if you're going to notice here on this platform, I've been doing this for about 2 weeks, and this is the first trade that I've actually lost, right?